So, lot of you guys asked me what number is this and how could one get this number. So, first of all, this is a vintage series which is recently allotted by many RTOs, state RTOs. So, currently Delhi, Orissa, Maharashtra, and I saw a few vehicles of Rajasthan also. So these states have started allotting the vintage series. So what vintage series is? MH. Let's say this is for Maharashtra. So that is not MHV, that is MHVA, and this is the AA is the current series which is rolled out freshly, and then the number. So the entire number will be MHVA AA. Any of the AB, AC, the ongoing, it will be carry forwarded, and the number. So MH stands for Maharashtra, VA stands for so far Vintage Act in my guess, and the AA is the ongoing series. So most of the states have freshly started this series. So let's say it is for Rajasthan, then it will be RJV AAA. If it is Delhi, it will be DLV AAA. If it is in case of Odisha, it will be OL or OR something, ORV AAA. So this is Maharashtra. VA is for Vintage Act, and AA is the ongoing series. After this series, it might roll out as AB. So MHVA AB. So it would be written as MHVA AA and the series, as it is a side facing number plate on the old style fender. It would be it should be written as, I have no space to write it in sequence, only as vertical straight. And here at the back side, I had the chance like MHVA and this series, but I have intentionally written this AAA small and this MHV big, because my earlier series was MHK 2733. So in that memory I have written MHV and then AAA and then the number. The seat I have removed currently. So this is the whole series about, whole point about. Also there's frequently asked questions. So when one will get the number? One might get the number after the renewal RC laps, when you'll go to RTO for fitness. If your motorcycle is 50 years old, you'll automatically get the number. You don't need any other special agent, any other extra fees rather than only of that of RC renewal, green tags, environment tags, whatever it takes, and the fees. No other additional cost is to be provided for vintage series if you are eligible, only if your vehicle is 50 years or more than that.